Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't mind like this mess. Basically, I was ill for like 2 weeks. I had the flu, which I can't even remember the last time I had the flu, but I had the flu and I just felt awful, and I don't know if it's kind of like backlash onto my skin. I don't know, I'm not really a skin expert and I hadn't really been eating much, so I don't know, I guess like lack of nutrients maybe. I don't know. Yeah, non-expert, but yeah, please just don't look at my skin, okay? And I'm gonna try and do this video quite quick because I've actually got people coming round. People from like my letting agency, you know, they literally come for like 5 minutes just to make sure I haven't trashed the place. I'm gonna try and do this tutorial relatively quick before they come. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 39L. Hit the lights. This palette here. This is what the palette looks like inside. Lots of warm, ready pink shades and a load of shimmer shades. You guys have to let me know how the lighting is. I've slightly changed it a bit in this video. So let me know if it looks less harsh. I kind of want to do a halo eye. That's what I'm digging right now. I think I'm going to gravitate towards like ready pink shade. I might go with this shade here. It's like a deep berry pink shade. No idea what the colours are called because I am one of those people that constantly get rid of the packaging. So to the inner and outer corner. And then I want to start blending that colour out. And to do that, I think I'm going to buff it out with this pink here very lightly. Because that was one thing I have noticed about this palette is like there's no like transition shades for the colourful. This palette, it's all like neutrals, which don't get me wrong, I know people love their neutrals. You know, we can all appreciate a good neutral look. But yeah, there's just like not many other colours that you can like buff out these kind of colours. I think I want to go in with like this really deep red shade to deepen up that pink a little bit. I feel like I want to add a bit more depth to this look, so I don't know whether to jump into a brown or a black. I feel like maybe starting with a brown might be a better idea. I'm just really delicately working it in. And then just make sure that's kind of still relatively blended. Just reapplying that really light pink shade to make sure it all looks very blended out. Then just getting a plain, clean blending brush, just kind of buffing it around the edges. And then I'm going to go with my P. Louise base. And I'm going to start kind of carving out, you know, a little bit. So I like to go in with an eyeliner brush. Keep my eyes open so I can see where my crease lies. I'm going to start buffing out the edges of that concealer. So I'm going to go with that really, really light pink that I used to buff out. I'm going to get some spray and just wet my brush. I think I want to go in with this shade, but if I don't like this shade, then I think I'll probably go in with this shade. But let's try that light iridescent shade first. See how that packs on. Just to make it blend the shimmer shade and the pink shade a bit better, I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's like a pink sheen. It's not quite a shimmer, but it's not a matte, it's more of a sheen. So I'm just going to pop in a little bit of that. Just kind of mesh that pink matte to the shimmer on the lid. Then I'm going to go back in with that deep brown. And just kind of reapply it on the outer end of the V. Yeah, I feel like it's missing something. Not sure what it is yet. I'm gonna try and like finish the face off and, you know, like the bottom lash line and whatnot, and see if I feel complete. But I'm gonna go in with some liner. This is just the Balm Shring liner, and I'm just gonna do, you know, just lining out my lash line basically. I'm just gonna put some mascara on, and then I'm ready for some false lashes. And the lashes that I'm going in with is the Doll Beauty Lashes in Ariana. These are quite nice for like a all-round lash. I drank like a whole bottle of water before I started filming this, and now I really need the toilet. Typical. So those are the lashes. See what I mean about them being like a whole round lash? I just really love these lashes. Right, I'm gonna go off and do my skin. I'm pretty much doing like the same things I'm doing like to my skin than I did the last video that I did. So there's no point just re-recording that. So I am just gonna do that, go to the toilet before I wee myself, and then I'll be right back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm currently baking. Through doing like my foundation and everything, I haven't decided what I actually want my lower lash line to look like. I was thinking maybe like purple, but there's not a purple in this palette, so I'd have to mix. I could always just play it safe and do pink underneath, but oh, why is this so tricky for me? I'm so indecisive. I think I should have been a Libra, honestly. I should have been a Libra. Going in with that deep berry shade. So I think I'm going with the purple idea with lots of things. And I'll show you how I made the purple. I dipped into these two colours here and applied a little bit of this berry shade just to deepen it a little bit. Then I think with a little bit of that pink, bright pink on its own. So that took a little longer than intended, and I've already finished my face and my lips. My camera decided to be a complete and utter a-hole, so that's very generous of it. I just kind of added a bit more berry than purple, just because I wanted a hint of purple, but you know, I kind of like the berry, I'm not gonna lie. So for the inner corner, I am gonna go with my nylon from MAC. I'm gonna try and do this quick, because my camera was taking so long to get its ish together. It's now like 11:25, and you know, the people who are supposed to be checking out my house are supposed to be here in 5 minutes. So hopefully traffic's bad and they're running late. So there's that one done. I do want to add a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to use my Mama Mitchell in Mama and just kind of, you know, run that under. Lower lash mascara, and I think I'm probably done. There we go, I'm all done. So this is the finished look coming from the Morphe palette 39L that I've used today. Nothing over the top or crazy, but I kind of like it actually. So yeah, just kind of practicing my halo eyes, because you know I like to practice them. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed the look. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below of any thoughts, suggestions, etc. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my IG is lacy.makeup, feel free and give us a follow. And also subscribe, that'd be great. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.